industrial environments, it is a difficult task to monitor the production devices in a single platform and act based on the available data. Also, the way the information is presented is often too semantic and abstract, which makes it difficult to come to good decisions when something needs to be fixed as fast as possible on the spot. Our goal is to develop a system which makes common industrial tasks possible using IoT technologies, machine learning, HoloLens and mixed reality. The goal of the project is to make the information available when and where it is required, while ensuring hands-free experience and straightforward presentation with mixed reality tools.
Our HoloMonit framework can be a great tool for engineers in a production environment that we can most easily demonstrate with two factory models.
Because of the well-designed, easy-to-use user interface, it's convenient to monitor the sensors and make interactions with the production line if necessary. Even in case of modular production, fast-paced human decision based on available data can improve productivity, reduce outages and quality issues.
We can use this technology in cargo transportation environment. For example, we can monitor an elevator's weight and make better logistics decisions. Thus, we can use the available resources more effectively and save money.
HoloMonit supports the creation and display of interactive tutorials. These tutorials makes it easier for users to be trained or to follow certain tasks compared to, for example, user manuals.
Hence, in case of system failure, the problem can be eliminated more quickly and the outage time can be drastically reduced.
HoloMonit is unique because it is in line with the main design principles of Industry 4.0, with special attention on details of technical assistance and interoperability using HoloLens. In industrial environments, this solution can drastically reduce repair and maintenance times using predictive analysis and interactive tutorials, which also makes the work easier to complete.